Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, we will be decorating my formal living room. Right now you can see it's pretty bare, and when I say we, I basically mean my sister decorated. She put everything together, like all the new furniture that you're going to see she put together, and she hung up everything on the walls for me. She was such a great help. I was about 5 or 6 weeks postpartum, I think, when we recorded this video, so I could barely lift anything or move anything. I was so weak. So yes, everybody needs a sister like mine. Get you a sister like mine. But I appreciate her so much. She was a great help. And yeah, right now I'm just moving some stuff around. I am going for a glam look, but on a budget. A lot of stuff is from Amazon. I linked everything down below, so make sure you check on in the description box so you can see, you know, if you're interested in any pieces, that you could check it out and grab whatever you like. But yeah, here's a little cameo of Corey and Kennedy when she was, like I said, it's only like 5 or 6 weeks postpartum. But yeah, let's jump in because this is a pretty fast video and start decorating. So right now we're just making sure that all of the front legs of the furniture are on the area rug, and if you're interested in the area rug, it's linked down below. I really love this carpet. Like, I really do love it. It's not too light, it's not too dark. I was worried about the kids, you know, messing it up and ruining it, but it's really easy to vacuum, easy to spot clean, and my kids don't really be in this living room anyway, so yeah. So yeah guys, I feel like there's so much stuff that I need to catch you guys up on, because this was done in the November, like mid-November, right before the holidays, and we did the dining room as well, decorated that, and we also did some stuff in the basement. And all of this was like right after I had Corey, so like I'm really grateful to my sister. Like, I don't even know how I would have even gotten this much done, just being like home with the kids and adjusting to being a new mom again and breastfeeding and all of that. So I really, you know, appreciate and thank her. But I definitely have to give you guys a current like home decor update that I will be doing right after like I'm done, you know, catching up with these back videos. So stay tuned and look out for that, because I feel like things are always changing and our house is not fully decorated, it's not fully organized, but I'm finally in a space to start getting it all done, even with the kids. So yeah, just wanted to tell y'all to look out for that.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast. fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
I tried to link everything that I could, but some of the smaller home decor pieces that, like this lamp, the lamps and, you know, books and stuff like that, I couldn't link. I got them from Home Goods or, you know, places like that. Even this like silver like vase, I got that from a yard sale that I spray painted silver to match our decor. So yeah, I tried to link as much as I could down below, guys.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
So I think these mini storage ottomans completed the look for the living room, or what I was going for. They matched the furniture as well. So yeah, that was that. And I also don't think I addressed that I changed out the original chandelier in this living room from what I originally showed y'all in the previous video. But this is how it came out, and again, it's not done. I have a picture for that back wall. I need like a lamp in the corner over there, but this is how the end result of this video looks. I was going for glam or like bougie on a budget. So everything is definitely affordable, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.